Let's go into CVS and I'll show you some of the deals from June 23rd to July 6th. I was able to use a spend 70, save 10, and I got that because I spent a percentage off coupon on Sunday, and then on Monday that appeared for me to use between Monday and Tuesday. So I'll show you some of the deals that I did with that coupon. This deal I always like. It's very easy. You spend $20, you get $8 back in extra care bucks, and it includes the Maybelline and the beauty tools and brushes. So you can get 2 that equal 20 or 1 large set that equals 20. I added this deal to my spend 70. It's the Head & Shoulders Clinical. They are buy one, get one 40% off, and buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck. So it ends up being $19.98 minus a $2 digital, minus $8 on Ibotta, minus $4 extra care buck equals $5.98 for both, or just about $3 each. So the Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 is the same deal, so you have to pick which one you want to do, whether the clinical or this one. It's $7.99, buy one, get one 40% off, so it's $12.98. $2 digital, $2 back on Ibotta, $4 extra care buck, making it $4.79, or about $2.40 each. This is clearly a popular, all digital and easy deal to do this week. You get 2 for $8 on the Garnier Fructis, minus a $3 digital coupon, minus $3 in extra care bucks coming back to you, equals $2 or $1 each bottle. If you're in need of shampoo and conditioner, go ahead and grab these this week. There are a few different Oral-B products on sale where you buy 2 and get a $5 extra care buck back. I got the floss picks. They were $4.69, so $9.38. There's a $1 digital coupon, and you get $5 back, making it $3.38, or about $1.70 each. And as you can see, there's different floss options that you can select in this promotion. Just scan and make sure the digital coupon attaches. All right, the Crest, there's a lot to this deal, but it's all digital. You buy 2 for $11.29. If you spend $20, so this is $22.58, you get back a $7 extra care buck. So if you got 2 of them, there's a $2 digital coupon and a $4 attaching if you didn't use it already. You get the $7 back, bringing it down to $9.58, and then you get $5 back on Ibotta, bringing it down to $4.58. Then if you have the CRT, 4 off of 20, you can bring this down to 58 cents for both. Now you can do this deal instead of the previous one. You buy 2 at $3.99, and you'll use the $2 digital coupon, and you'll get $5 back in extra care bucks, making it 98 cents for both. So just keep in mind that $2 digital coupon, there's only one of them. So pick and choose your deal. You can get 2 packages of the Schick disposable razors. There's 4 in each package for free this week. So it's $14 for 2. There's a $5 digital coupon. And then in your email, they sent a $5 CRT, another coupon. And then you get $4 back on an extra care bucks, leaving it to be $0. Sally Hansen nail polish is on a promotion, spend 8, get $2 back. So I got one for $10.79. It's a new color, $2 digital coupon. There's a $3 CRT, and I end up paying just $3.79 after all the coupons and extra care bucks. So the household deal this week is spend $25, get an $8 extra care buck. And this is how I put my deal together. I got one of the larger pink Downies up there on the shelf for $13.49. And I got 2 of the smaller ones for $6.99. That equaled $26.98. There's a $2 digital coupon in the app, a $9.50 back on Ibotta, and an $8 extra care buck, bringing it down to $7.48. So Neutrogena facial care is spend $25, get a $10 extra care buck back. There are several digital coupons within our app. We have a $3, the advertised $5, another $2 on facial wipes, and I also have a save 5 on 20. If this is what you use for facial care, you may want to stock up on some of your favorite items. So the Axe is a good deal this week, especially if your store is priced high enough. So it's $8.29. Buy one, get one 50% off. That's $12.43. You'll get a $5 digital and a $4 digital that'll come off, $2 extra care buck, leaving it to be $1.43 or 70 cents a piece. The thing is, the 50% item, which is $4.14 in this case, has to be greater than the digital coupon in order for them to come off. And in this case, both coupons are less than the items, the $5 and the $4 coupon. So both of them came off for me. This is a really easy deal on the Gillette Shave Gel. You can also do this on the Venus Shave Gel. It's $5.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. So you get two for $8.68. This is $6 extra care buck, bringing it down to $2.68. So less than $1.35 each. So you can get a great deal on the Banana Boat or Hawaiian Tropic Suntan Lotion. It's spend $20, get a $10 extra care buck. So I grabbed one of the soothing creams for $9.59 and a lotion for $10.79, equaling $20.38. There's a $2 digital coupon, and there's also a $4 one if you didn't use it last week, bringing this down to $4.38 after you get your $10 extra care buck back. So here's a video of what I picked up on this top section of the cart. It was a $4 moneymaker, and then all the items down here at the bottom was an $8 cost. So in total, when I combined both of these purchases, which I did on two different cards, it cost me $4 for all these items. If you have any questions or want more details, leave me a note in the comments. Thank you. And here's a few more deals I took pictures of. The Voltaren is spend 20, get 5. The BioFreeze is spend 25, get 5. There's coupons within the app and also on ShopMeum. The Advil is spend 20, get 5. There's coupons in the app, and there's also coupons on ShopMeum. The CVS ibuprofen brand is spend 15, get 3. Hopefully this video is helpful to you and you get out to the store and save some money on everyday items. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe and come back for the next one. Thank you.